Welcome to Jagannath Puri Dham. This is our temple of Lord Jagannath. According to our Gurudeva's instruction, we are constructing this temple. In his physical presence, he purchased the land and ordered us to make a nice temple for Lord Jagannath, which Jagannath installed under a asbestos shed, and we are keeping the Lord Jagannath last 10 years under the asbestos shed. Right now, by the grace of Lord Jagannath, by the grace of Vaishnavas, by the grace of all the devotees, we have chance to make nice temple and fulfill the desire of our Gurudev, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj. So we are expecting to move our deities here on 21st September 2009. So I would like to invite everyone who has any desire to come, please come down here before 21st September and help us with your best ability, physically, mentally, financially, to maintain this temple, and you can have the chance also to stay here and perform the path of devotion, to practice the path of devotion from here. Thank you very much.